Here I am, listening, when suddenly I realize the wind wants to tell me something. It's a message from our mother. Really softly, with loving care, she whispers in my ears. Please be aware. You are what I am. You are the pulsation embodying my softness. You are the sacred space holder protecting my truth. You are nourishing what I provide. You are the cosmic flow being carried by my rhythm. You are shaped in light, holding my pure essence. You are the manifestation of the cycle that I am. So, please, take care about yourself, and you'll take care about me. Remember where you're coming from, and you'll set me free. Connect to your true nature, and certainly you'll see that in our original state, we are one in harmony.